it's your girl Claire Moy, and I'm so excited to show y'all the unit I'm rocking today because this is a Kinky Curly V-part wig in 18 inches. It's a V-part wig, y'all, and I'm not leaving any hair out. The construction on this wig is really good too. It comes with 4 combs that you're going to use to apply the wig to your anchor braid, and then it comes with 2 combs by your ears, a comb in a bag, and it comes with a wig band. The curl pattern is also A1. I got the curl pattern in 3C4A, and this is my braiding pattern. You want to make sure that when you are braiding your hair for this style, you braid very loose. This is a protective style, and you braiding loose is going to come in handy in a minute. Also, oil your scalp. This is the unit wash the following day. So I washed this unit and then I let it dry overnight. And this is the unit wash with a little bit of cream and curl in there as well. Cream and curl mix in there as well. Now, remember I said to braid your hair loose? This is why. Because you want to put the combs that come with this V part into your anchor braid. And that is why you want it loose, because if it's too tight, it's going to hurt trying to get them combs up in there, and it's just going to be pulling, and it's just too tight. So this is what the hair looks like before I crochet it. We got to cover up that track. So with your crochet needle, you're going to take some hair from the track that's showing, and you're going to pull it through your hair, which is another reason why you want your braids to be very loose, because you want this process right here to not have any tension on your hair. So all I'm doing is taking some hair from the track that's showing, and I'm going to loop that through my hair that's out right there. With a crochet needle, I'm going to pull it through and then just flip it over onto the track. And because this hair is curly, it is going to just cover that track and make it look so natural, y'all. I feel like whoever discovered this technique has discovered the best protective style. Seriously, no hair out. I did that whole row. Look how that looks. It looks amazing. I mean, I shouldn't say, well, back in the day, we used to do this, but it wasn't like this, because we used to do it with glue, where it would be called the invisible part, and we would stack tracks on top of each other in this way, so that way it would look like you had a part, but it was all weave. Yeah, I promise you, if you YouTube invisible part, it will come up. So that's kind of what this is, right? But not really at the same time. But it reminds me of the invisible part. But we used to do the invisible part with straight hair. So your part would look like Moses parting the Red Sea. Baby, that thing was wide. But with this curly hair, it's not. You know what I'm saying? The curls kind of really camouflage it and just make it look like this hair is growing out of your scalp. I believe this is one of my favorite hairstyles. It does take practice though, okay? At first you're going to be like, ooh, it's just, it really takes practice, but it is easy. You just have to practice the technique. And once you get it, yeah, it's over. You're going to love it. I'm telling you. All the information, as always, will be in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. I'm sure I will have a discount code. Huge shout out to CurlsCurls for connecting with me and letting me try this hairstyle. I was really interested in it, and it works, y'all. It works. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Please make sure you give your girl a big fat thumbs up. And as always, I will see you all in my next video. Toodles!
Ooh, yeah, baby. No. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let